Welcome to the Oils and Herbs channel. Today we're going to be talking about two spices that are often confused with each other, star anise and anise seed. While they do have some similarities, there are also some key differences between the two. So, let's dive into it and learn more about these two spices. What is star anise? Star anise is a spice that comes from the fruit of the Illicium verum plant. It is a small, star-shaped pod that is native to China and is often used in Chinese cuisine. It has a strong licorice-like flavor and is commonly used in both sweet and savory dishes. What is anise seed? Anise seed is another spice that has a similar flavor to star anise, but it comes from a different plant, the Pimpinella anisum plant. The seeds of this plant are used as a spice and have a similar licorice-like flavor. They are used in a variety of dishes, including bread, desserts, and soups. Flavor differences. While both star anise and anise seed have a similar licorice-like flavor, there are some differences between the two. Star anise has a stronger and more intense flavor than anise seed, which is why it is often used in smaller quantities. Anise seed, on the other hand, has a milder flavor and is used more frequently in larger quantities. Appearance. One of the most obvious differences between the two spices is their appearance. Star anise is a small, star-shaped pod, while anise seed is a small, brown seed. While star anise is often used as a whole pod, anise seed is usually ground or crushed before use. Health benefits. Both star anise and anise seed are believed to have some health benefits. Star anise is often used in traditional Chinese medicine to help with digestion and respiratory issues. Anise seed is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and is sometimes used to relieve symptoms of menopause. Uses. Both star anise and anise seed are used in a variety of dishes. Star anise is often used in Chinese dishes such as five-spice powder, braised beef, and soups. Anise seed is used in desserts such as biscotti, as well as in savory dishes such as sausages and stews. Now you know the differences between star anise and anise seed. While they have similar flavors, they come from different plants and have some key differences in appearance and intensity of flavor. Whether you're cooking a sweet or savory dish, both of these spices can add a unique and delicious flavor to your recipe. Let everyone know in the comments what recipe you are planning on using star anise or anise seed in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.